parked over there.
There, that's better, hon. That's good.
It's great.
No, not doing that. You want to leave it unlocked? No. I don't think so. You shit me. Lock it here, hon. You should have brought stickers for me. No.
Hi, kitty. They like, I wonder who this is. Where'd you see Scott? What's that?
I could go back to San Francisco and really explore, because I moved out because it was just so damn expensive. So now I can go back and do all of the things I wanted to do, including bike up Ponce Mill Road and then back down. Yeah, it was very nice. It was really great meeting you too. Yeah. Thanks, Ausia.
Where are you running off to, Ausia? No, we're Team Terry RVing.
Oh yeah!
How you doing?
Make sure this is not gonna fall. Okay.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good.
Hi, how are you doing?
You having karaoke tonight?
Not tonight. Friday.
Friday?
Friday night. Yep, at the Farkle Hut. So, have y'all been to Central Camp yet?
No.
Did they do it earlier in the day?
No.
Oh wait, are you talking about at the beginning or
at the beginning?
Well,
where do you get the pass?
No, you sign in at the tent. They're getting a head count and stuff. And I was like, do you get a pass? They're like, no, it's just we're just getting names.
See how they have the passes in the windows?
Yeah,
because Terry said something about that.
That means they actually signed in with BLM.
Yeah, because we went there, but they said they were off duty. So.
Right. Yeah, they get off duty. So. Yeah. Well, awesome. It's nice to put a face with Team Terry.
I did text you and say, hey, when you having karaoke? Because we were like in California at the time.
We've been
So.
all over the place.
Yeah.
Everywhere we've watched you, we've almost been to.
Awesome.
It's been a blast.
Where's Moo Moo?
She is actually with Terry. Well, she was.
I think Scott's out there, babe.
Oh no, I see her right there with see Terry right there, and then Moo Moo's right by her. So, have y'all talked to them yet?
Yeah. Yeah, she went, oh! Yeah.
I hope you turn around and be facing the other way. I said, I'll do that.
Yeah, because we don't know how long we're staying. I would love to go to the karaoke, though. I would love that. Friday.
So we'll be right over there.
Maybe we'll stay to Friday. We don't get kicked out without signing in.
No, they won't do that.
Or we'll just come back.
Yeah, but that's so bumpy.
No,
and we don't have a car with us. We just have the rig, you know?
Well, you're supposed to just be able to sign in at like tomorrow. If you go out and go here, there's a tent. You can walk there, and then all they do is collect your name and how many's in your party, and that's all you have to do.
We'll do that, because I really want to go to the karaoke.
It's better than going all the way back and getting that thing. You don't have to have that, because this is an event. So they already have the
Oh, do they?
Yeah. You just have to sign in your names and stuff.
No, I'll see you around.
All right,
It was
it was
great
nice
meeting you.
Life's a lot bigger.
When you broke the axle.
No, it wasn't the axle, it was the frame.
All right, Bex. We'll see ya.
All right.
Oh, we're Team Terry RVing. We follow you and
Right.
so.
Yeah, now you can see the little Band-Aid right up under there on the frame. If you
Oh,
look.
still there.
Well, it's got to be there. It's holds it together.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah, we remember that. I was like, I hope someone comes.
Not yet, but it's 33 years old, so I'm sure. Good to see
Let's
you.
go. Let's go meet Scott.
Yeah, let's
Moo Moo. Hello.
Hi, Moo Moo.
Hi, sweetheart.
How are you?
Yes. It was just your birthday a little while ago.
Hey, oh, you're such a pretty girl.
I was saying to Dave, I remember when she got Moo Moo. That was like 3 years, but she's 4 now. Yeah. Was she like 6 months when you got her?
She was 6 months old.
Yeah. There's the famous Moo Moo.
Oh, my man. It was so long.
Yeah, we have 2 dogs, 3 cats, and 2 birds.
Yep.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and a partridge and a pear tree.
I know. I was gonna say that.
Why we call it the zoo. You gotta go tell Scott I'm here for somebody inflated me if I got a set of smart
Well, the thing about the smart cars, you go, oh, look at what I get. But then if somebody barely hits you, it's like being in one of those little bubbles. All the things go off, all the bags go off. And you're like,
Somebody's so
Yeah,
unhappy.
don't hang out down there. You'll feel like you missed RTR and RTR.
yeah.
Yeah, well, like I said,
Right, yeah, yeah.
you were good girl.
No, it doesn't get bad until you get way in this race. I'll be over there like, I already told that.
If we come down, we'll be
I told him that I made that thing.
You too.
How you doing? I'm Scott.
Dave.
Dave,
Team
pleased to
Terry
meet ya.
RVing.
Hi, and what was your?
I'm Kimberly, Team Terry RVing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah?
Commented. Okay.
We've been waiting for you from to Florida.
That's right. That's right.
Sharon and Sal,
Sharon, we just started following you, Team Terry
she
RVing.
has a hard time hearing.
Okay, so does he.
So does me. I just read lips,
Okay.
so
She won't be able to hear you.
if you turn around and talk.
Hi, Team Terry RVing. Remember I just commented with the cats that we got cats and you got cats
Oh, okay.
in the kitty litter?
Oh.
Yeah, we just started following you. Yes, it came with my Karma. It's a Karma stabilizer.
Does
And
it
it
make noise?
That's pretty cool. He has a beautiful camcorder. I would love to have a camcorder.
Yeah, too many times I want to zoom in on something.
There we go. There's a paraglider or whatever they call them. Up there for a nice, beautiful evening of the sunset. And this is the RTR Rubber Tramp Rendezvous, Quartzsite, Arizona.
Take a load off Annie. Take the load, friend. Take a load off Annie. Yeah.